food is a very important aspect of our lives. We recognize that this food that we eat, when that food has a right vibration and right energy, then not only does it physically help sustain the body, but it actually nurtures the mind also. And so for us, we're vegetarian. We are not vegan because we do take dairy products. And when you're learning to meditate, when you're learning to calm your mind, when you're learning to make your mind peaceful, you need all the help you can get. And so really, one is to refrain from meat, which is a serious thing anyway, but to refrain from anything that's going to stop your mind being stable and concentrated. And equally, we are aware of the right kind of energy and vibration that you put into the food whilst you're preparing the food. So, when you prepare food with love, when you prepare food with vibrations of peace, when you prepare food with this awareness that whatever you're thinking and feeling in that moment, that affects the food that you're preparing. And then ultimately, that affects the people who eat that food. So we prepare food in that awareness, then it's offered in meditation, and then it's shared with people with love. It's also eaten with love.